to our Grade 6 Symmetry Through Art journey, where art and mathematics come together in beautiful harmony.
Through nature's design, students looked closely at leaves and petals and discovered symmetry not just as a concept, but as an immersive observation in the world around them.
As they examined everyday objects, bottles, combs, patterns, they built observational and analytical skills. They learned to notice how symmetry informs design, structure, and balance.
In the ink and thread station, students saw creativity blossom in unexpected ways. Those random ink blot patterns turned into faces, animals, and landscapes, sparking confidence in creative expression.
Using rulers, grids, and imagination, students created their own symmetrical designs, mandalas, futuristic vehicles, and imaginative worlds, demonstrating how mathematical understanding can fuel original ideas.
This project showed that when learning extends beyond the page into the tactile, imaginative, and collaborative, it becomes far more meaningful.
I enjoyed this string activity. I modified it like a dart, and I was very excited to do this string activity.
Thank you for exploring symmetry with us through the eyes of our Grade 6 learners.